Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your project so Premiere works predictably. Import the clip and verify sequence settings match the footage. GPU acceleration speeds up effects. Once done, place the original clip on video track 1 and duplicate it to video track 2 as a backup. Make sure to trim any dead frames to reduce render times. You'll proceed immediately to applying effects on the top layer because that gives you a non-destructive workflow and a quick rollback option. You now apply Ultra Key to the top layer and pick the background color with the eyedropper. That removes most of the plate fast. Then refine the matte using matte generation and matte cleanup. Reduce shadow and increase tolerance until edges dissolve correctly. Once that is stable, use spill suppression to neutralize color bleed and tweak composite options to preserve fine hair or semi-transparent areas. If the background is uneven, add a garbage matte mask and feather it so you control which areas get keyed. You finish by checking the composite against multiple backgrounds, black, checker, and the new plate, so you can spot edge artifacts. Make sure to render the sequence in and out for real-time playback. For output with transparency, export as QuickTime using ProRes 4444 or SynForm with RGB plus alpha. If you see noisy edges, apply a small median or blur before rekeying. If you get flicker, try frame blending or slightly lower tolerance and manual mask keyframes. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.